going to show you my beach makeup. Really simple and it's really light. It's the RMS cover up underneath my eyes, which is at the same time really good sun protection. Around my nose. What's great about this stuff is that it doesn't feel like makeup. Around my mouth. Now this is the genius products that I want to show you, that I call my soft Cleopatra pencil for the beach. And this is a Shiseido Kohl Kajal. I'm not even looking, but you basically, I put it in and around. Kind of like you would be using a Kohl, so you use it inside, but then you extend it out. And it's messy, but it ends up looking beautiful. I'm not even looking while doing this, but I kind of know where I am. You want to go sort of horizontally in your eyes. So I do the same thing on both sides. And even though it's very dramatic, because it's really messy, it doesn't feel precious, you know? Here on the other side, you pull out a little sponge and you can use this to smudge. I'll show you. Let's go back. So that's me smudged. And then I've been using this lipstick by RMS called Pretty Vacant, which is so me. And then also my lips. Just take away the lip balm a bit. Super beautiful. And it gives this punch of corally seashell pink. That's so pretty. It brightens. And here you can see it better. Obviously, you know, I want to wear sun protection. Anthelios with a tint. I put that everywhere. I probably cover my blush and then I redo the blush, you know, or I do it the other way around usually. Hope you liked it. Of me on the ground. This is how I apply sunscreen. So the sunscreen goes everywhere on my face. And because it's the beach and it's sunscreen, you don't have to really expect it to be a perfect match. Oh, and the greatest thing about this makeup, get into the water, and because everything is kind of oil-based and food grade, it just disintegrates in a really even way, and it never looks humiliating, you know, it never looks like what makeup looks when it's a disaster. There's no disasters happening here. The most that can look is that you smudge your eye with your hand or something. If you want to put mascara on, which sometimes I do, mascara is always a good idea.